Hi guys, good evening to one and all. Welcome to my podcast. Today let's talk about the experiences and some more topics about your life and day-to-day life, about judgment and how to deal with the problems when you are in a society. Friends, society is the biggest meal for me. Like it's a thali. Imagine you're going for a restaurant. You have a thali. You always want a thali should be hi-fi. It should be filled with cups and all. It has to have all the luxuries and it should have all the items. I have ordered the thing. And next I realized that one item is missing in that. And you complain that is missing. It's not cooking good. As the thali is incomplete, you wanted a big thali. And you paid already. And the same way, it is so frustrating, right? The same way, if you see the world outside, you have all type of professions. Like you have an engineer, you have a doctor, you have an artist, you have a singer, you have a dancer, you have a sportsman. All the professions together in a beautiful thali is nothing but a society. Society is like if no one of them are not good, nothing in the world is there. Nothing in the world looks beautiful. It looks ugly, right? If a musician is not there, how many of us would have gone to depressions? And how many of us would really be happy? Listening and whenever we are stressful, we want pleasantness, we hear music. What if the birds stop singing in the morning? What if the ducks stop doing quack quack? What if the dogs stop barking? What if a photographer is not existing in the world? We don't have a camera. We don't have a cell phone. We don't have an artist who can paint a drawing. You don't have a director. You don't have an actor who can really show what your imagination, what your creativity, what your own world. You are the boss of your own world. You are showing the world what are you and what your movie is. What if there is no sports? There is no legacy. Like this happens every time. Many times we judge people by their performances. Like if they're perfect in one, you want them perfect in everything, right? Like a sportsman is there, you judge them that he's not uneducated, what he's doing and all. If an actor is there, you judge them like they don't know anything and all. They know a lot of things. Everyone knows everything, brother. If they don't know, they won't come here. They are successful. If a thali is not unacceptable for you, without one profession missing, then in a society is accepting all the professions. So why can't you accept? You're not the man who can decide everything, right? It's a great God who has given them the gift to be an artist, to be an art painter, to be something big, something different in their life, photographer, to be a chef. Chef is really blessed to serve and cook. What a world if you don't have chefs. All say mothers are the best chefs. What if you don't have chefs? You go to a restaurant and don't have restaurants. Importance is not like it will be only known when you lost something, right? Until you lost buying a pen, you don't know the value of a pen. Until you don't have 5 rupees in your pocket, you won't know the value of that to get a chocolate. Importance. Respecting others, respecting people for the knowledge they know. That is real education. Unless judging and all is never ever a quality of a gentleman. And seriously, whenever you see an art, for example, if you have seen an actor, okay, you see a cricketer, athlete like Mahendra Singh Dhoni or anybody. Maybe somebody would have told what cricket and all, what cinema they would have done. What will you do? The first thing you see, standing there will be so many uploading them and taking selfie, appreciation, asking for autographs and all. Do you see anybody judging them? there will be only one fellow. Rest all 10 people will be around him, right? For the achievement he has done, because it's never easy. Getting anything in this world is never ever easy. So guys, stop judging others, be happy, and I wish you all to be safe, be cool, and let's fight the hard times together. I will come again in another podcast. Let's talk about cricket in that. Till then, signing you, this is Sai Krishna Seko. Thank you. And at the end, I would just wanted to tell, the sky is high, and judging someone is really bad. I love my heart because it loves everybody. I hate my brain because it judges everybody. Thank you. Have a nice day.